What's up, y'all? I'm finna try this new spaghetti squash. We're gonna see what it's hitting for. Let's see. This is my first time making it. See how it came out? Juicy too. Y'all see that juice? So we're finna try it for the first time. See what it's hitting for. This is good. It's my first time making spaghetti squash, and it came out really good. It's juicy too. Y'all can see it. It's hot though. I'm trying to show y'all. It came out really good. It's juicy. If y'all haven't tried it, go try it. Spaghetti squash. I give it a 10. You can taste all the flavors. I like it. It's hot though. I'm trying to show y'all the inside part right there. See it? You can see it. This is good. It's my first time ever making spaghetti squash. And it came out really good. So, y'all need to go make this. Try it out. It's my first time doing it. And it came out pretty good. No complaints. And it's healthy too at that. One more bite for the road. That's good, y'all. My review on the spaghetti squash is a 10. So I'll make y'all some. So then, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share this live. Y'all want to see more videos? Y'all know what to do. Catch y'all back in. I'm out.